Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am going to be doing the Scrapcraftastic weekly planner and journal challenge in my Dollar Tree planner this week. The prompt is peaches and cream. If you would like to play along with the challenge, all of the prompts are available for the whole year in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group. The link to the group is in the description box below. I've pulled out a variety of things to use for this spread. I have two options for dolls. Both of these dolls are from COCO'S Vision. Then I've pulled out the two Roy G. Biv Boxes and Florals books from CHELA Plan, Volume 1, Volume 2, and also Flourishing Florals by CHELA Plan. Then I have this peach colored washi from Simply Gilded, and this, I don't know what it would be called, like a tortoise shell. It's some type of shell that looks like this, but it's like an iridescent cream colored washi tape, and it is from one of the old Michael's tubes of washi. Then I also have the Florals book from 2019 from the Hot Buy section at Michael's. So I have all of those to pull from. Again, the theme is, or the prompt is, peaches and cream. So here is last week's spread. So at first, this spread, I had a little trouble with getting it to come together. But now looking back on it, I really think it came out nice. I like it a lot. This is an undated planner. I am only decorating. I am not using it for my personal use because I'm decorating it to give away. If you want more information on the giveaway, check the description box below. I've also gone ahead and put a blank journaling sticker in for the weekend so that we won't have necessarily a split weekend. I have a little more space to play with for the weekend. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and white out what's up here at the top. Let me see what we can use. So I know this is oranges, but it is on a peach background. So maybe we can use some of these florals. I think let's go ahead and put down some washi first. How do I want to do this? Because I definitely want to use this. And I don't know if, yeah, the days of the week will show through. So let's get rid of that. Okay, do I want to divide that pearl? That's the look I was trying to come up with. It's a pearl look, and I think I want to do pearl all the way through. I get a lot of questions about the washi graveyard. The washi graveyard is eventually, I have, I think, two that are ready to be used, to be sealed. What I'm going to do is seal them with either Collage Podge or Mod Podge or something like that, maybe even matte medium. I don't know yet. And I will use them either for junk journal covers, journaling cards, or tags. I'm even thinking about maybe using one of the ones that I have now to make my own traveler's notebook, and I will do that on this channel if I do it. If you're interested in making a traveler's notebook, let me know in the comments below. So let's get to the florals, and I'm going to cut them just a little bit, not a lot. So I think that's gonna work. I think we're good for the header. Now let's see what we can do for the rest of the spread. Definitely want to use this vase. Just put it here. Let's use. We'll hold off. Okay, so which doll do I want to use? She's so tall, but I think she goes better with the theme, so I'm going to use her. And she's going to go right here on the edge. She looks crooked. There we go. Oh, I wish some of these didn't have oranges on them, but definitely want to use this box here. It's kind of large. Maybe I better hold off on that too. Let's put down some days of the week. Let's see if we can find anything in the Agenda 52 numbers and days. This is from the Hobby Lobby. Okay, so I think I'm going to go ahead and use some of these gold stickers. So then let's see what's in here. So there's that. I need more peach colors for the peaches and cream. I think these mix well too. Let's see, I'm gonna use this one from Floral Boxes. Okay, let's see. I want to add this in here somehow. Let's see. I think we're done with all of these. I added this floral from the 1, 2, 3, 4 sticker book from the Happy Planner. But that's it. That's the spread. The prompt was peaches and cream. I used bow washi from Simply Gilded. The pearl washi is from a Michael's washi tape tube. The days of the week are from the Agenda 52 sticker book. The florals and the butterflies with the peach outline are from the Michael's Hot Buy Florals sticker book. And so is this box. I used a couple of boxes from CHELA Plan and a few floral stickers from CHELA Plan. And I think that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.